In this video, we'll explore the top 5 cybersecurity tools that are essential for protecting your digital assets. These tools are used by security professionals to identify vulnerabilities, monitor networks, and defend against cyber attacks. Let's dive in to learn about critical security tools. The first tool on our list is Wireshark. It is the world's most popular network protocol analyzer. It is useful for network troubleshooting, analyzing network traffic, and monitoring network security. To start a capture on a specific network interface, such as Ethernet 0, you can use the command Wireshark followed by the flag I and then the interface name. To filter for specific traffic, like hypertext transfer protocol, use the filter tcp.port == 80. To capture network traffic and save it to a file, use the shark command with the interface flag I followed by the interface name and the right flag W to specify the output file name. Next up is Nmap, which stands for Network Mapper. It is a powerful network discovery tool and security scanner. It is great for security auditing, network inventory, and vulnerability assessment. To perform a basic port scan on a target, simply type Nmap, followed by the target's Internet Protocol address. To detect service versions, use the flag SV followed by the target domain. To perform a stealth SYN scan on a network, use the flag SS followed by the network address, specifying the subnet using CIDR notation. Our third tool is Metasploit. It is a comprehensive penetration testing platform used for vulnerability assessment and exploit development. To start the Metasploit console, simply type msconsole in your terminal. To search for exploits, use the search command followed by your search terms, such as Windows SMB. To use a specific exploit module, type use followed by the exploit's path, such as exploit/windows/SMB/MS17_010_eternal blue. The fourth tool is Burp Suite. It is an integrated platform for web application security testing. It includes tools for proxying, scanning, and exploitation. Key features include the ability to intercept and modify hypertext transfer protocol requests, automated vulnerability scanning, manual penetration testing tools, and extensibility through custom plugins. Our fifth and final tool is OWASP ZAP, which stands for Z-Attack Proxy. It is a free and open-source web application security scanner used for finding vulnerabilities in web applications. To perform a quick baseline scan, use the command zap-baseline.py with the target flag followed by the target uniform resource locator. For a full scan with a report, use the command zap-full-scan.py with the target flag followed by the target uniform resource locator and the report flag R to specify the output file. To scan an application programming interface, use the command zap-api-scan.py with the target flag followed by the uniform resource locator to the application programming interface definition file. Let's summarize the tools discussed. Wireshark is used for network analysis, specifically traffic monitoring and protocol analysis. Nmap is for network discovery, port scanning, and service detection. Metasploit is a penetration testing tool for exploit development and validation. Burp Suite is used for web application testing, particularly for manual web security assessment. OWASP ZAP is used for web application scanning for automated vulnerability detection. To implement effective cybersecurity, remember these best practices: conduct regular security assessments and audits, ensure continuous monitoring and threat detection, keep your tools updated with the latest signatures, and document your findings and remediation steps. In conclusion, effective cybersecurity requires a combination of the right tools, proper implementation, and continuous vigilance. By using these tools and following these practices, you can significantly improve your security posture and protect your digital assets. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.